Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. So, Nikola, 4-hour chart, still below the rotation zone. So, key resistance first off coming in, you can see here, let me try to spread this out a little more. You can see rotation zone with the prior little support shelf that broke. First level is about 53.75. If we get through that, I'm going to be watching for a return up towards about 57 area. You're going to have some minor at 56, so 56 to 57 is the key area of resistance on any rally. See, I did the little Gann projection from the high on the 9th to the low on the 10th, which gave us 51.24 and 50.29. Interesting way to use that. Let's say you're a shorter term trader, you're trading from the bullish side only. Okay, so it's dropping. You see you have the level mapped out. So you're all right, I'm going to start watching around 51.24. So you see it coming down here. So we have a much lower low, higher RSI, little divergence. So you might want to do some kind of aggressive divergence play with a stop below this low. Again, not trading advice, just showing how these levels could be used. And then you're going to do a shorter term entry on a 15 minute. And then you're going to watch on this longer term, especially for a return to the area, let's say your prior support becoming resistance area. So again, you could use on this 1 hour, this 53.42. On that 4 hour, the level I listed, that 53.75 area as an eventual target, or if you're just trading throughout the day, you take it off at the end of the day. That's how you use those kinds of levels. Let's go out to the daily chart. So, daily chart, rotation zone's just flat. It is favoring a downward bias, but it's flat, and we're still in this little consolidation pattern. So, the daily key resistance area I'll be watching, if we get above 57, is about 60. Then we have 60, 232, 64, 79. If we do drop below today's low, which was 51, I'll be starting watching for 50.29, which is minor because it's such a short little range. You can even go down if you wanted to extend this again. You could say, okay, that's a pausing bar. I already know what that next level is. Let me see. And you could get the next levels that way. So daily, the major area I'll be watching is down towards the 50-day exponential moving average, about 47 to about 47.78, this little support window right in there. So we have for you on Nikola, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.